Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to copy text from an image. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on vital information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to head over to my gallery and find an image that has text inside that image. Alright, I'm going to click onto this photo here, and all what you need to do here is click on that little T symbol below. And now this will scan the image for any text. And now if you want to copy this, just simply click and hold like so, copy, and now that's copied. And now I'm going to paste it inside my notes. Alright, I'm inside my notes. I'm going to paste this text here. There you go, that's that text copied from that image. I'll do that once more. So I'm going to head back to my gallery. I'm going to find a random image here. Alright, this one will do. Alright, now click into it, click on that T again. Now this is going to scan the image for text, and just like that it's highlighted all the text inside this image. So to copy it, just click and hold, highlight it, click on copy. Now I'm going to head over to my notes again. Alright, now I'm going to paste it here. There you go. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.